Did you know people are earning over $10,000 a month just by making simple nursery rhyme videos for kids on YouTube? And the best part? They're doing it without any special skills or expensive software. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's 100% true. Nursery rhyme videos are getting millions of views every single day. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. In this video, you'll see real examples of channels earning thousands of dollars, all by creating fun, colorful, and educational rhymes using free AI tools. With the power of Google AI Studio, Gemini, and Meta AI's image-to-video features, making animation videos is now easier than ever before. So grab your notepad, stay with me till the end, don't skip any part, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the complete skill to create your own nursery rhyme channel and start earning a steady passive income from home. Let's begin your journey to turning AI and creativity into income right now. Very end, and don't miss a single part. I'll reveal how people are making thousands of dollars every month using free AI tools. Look at these YouTube channels. Each one is getting 100 to 200 million views on simple nursery rhymes videos for kids. Yes, hundreds of millions of views and massive earnings. Many of these creators are earning $10,000 to $15,000 per month. And guess what? They're not using paid software or big animation studios. They're creating everything using free AI tools like Google AI Studio, Gemini, and Meta AI. Tools that you can start using today. So stay with me till the end, because in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to make your own viral nursery rhymes videos and start your journey toward passive income with AI. Rock it!
Finding the main idea for your nursery rhyme video. To begin, we need a strong idea, the nursery rhyme that our video will be based on. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt in the chat box. I want to create a nursery rhyme video for kids aged 3 to 9 years old in the USA. Please list the top 10 most popular nursery rhymes for kids on YouTube. ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of the top 10 trending nursery rhymes for kids. This is a quick and easy way to identify what's popular and what kids are already watching the most.
Step 2. Script writing. Now that we've selected our nursery rhyme, it's time to create the lyrics and visual plan for our video. Go to ChatGPT and type the following detailed prompt in the chat box. Write the complete lyrics of the rhyme listed at serial number 4, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Modify the lyrics slightly, but keep the main theme and rhythm of the original rhyme. The message should motivate kids to learn, shine like stars, and help others, just like stars give light at night. Along with the lyrics, write scene-wise 2 to 3 prompts for image creation and image-to-video prompts, ensuring consistent characters throughout. Do not use phrases like "as mentioned above" or refer to any previous character description. Instead, repeat the full character details in every scene to maintain visual consistency. The style should be 3D Pixar-style colorful illustration designed for kids aged 3 to 9 years in the USA. Once you enter this prompt, ChatGPT will generate the complete lyrics of the rhyme, scene-wise prompts for image creation, and prompts for image-to-video animation. We'll use these 3 components, lyrics, image prompts, and video prompts, to build our animated nursery rhyme video using free AI tools. Stay tuned, because in the next step, I'll show you how to review and improve these prompts for even better results.
Step 3. Converting lyrics into song. We have lyrics consisting of 4 verses of our rhyme. Now we will convert the lyrics into musical song of rhyme, for which we will use free Suno AI tool. We will go to Suno AI and click on Create button and paste our rhyme into lyrics window, and in style we'll write as nursery rhyme for kids. We will also choose female singer
and click on Create button, and Suno AI will create our musical song in 2 versions. And we will select one of them and download on clicking on 3 dots and selecting MP3 format. Suno AI will ask us to upgrade or download in any way. And we will click on Download in any way and download our song. It will be MP3 format.
Step 4. Uploading the audio file into Canva. Next, we'll bring our nursery rhyme song into Canva to start building the video. Go to canva.com and click on Create a Design. Select Video and set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels, the standard YouTube size. Once your blank video project opens, look at the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. Now, upload your MP3 audio file, the nursery rhyme song you created earlier. Drag and drop the audio file onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Your video stage is now ready, complete with your nursery rhymes audio track, Musica. In the next step, we'll start adding AI-generated images and video clips to bring your rhyme to life with animation and visuals, rainbow and sparkles.
Shine, shine, little star, show the world how bright you are.
Step 5. Image and video creation. Now comes the most important part of this tutorial, creating the images and video clips for our rhyme. We'll use the scene-wise prompts generated by ChatGPT both for image creation and custom animation, image-to-video conversion. Go to Meta AI and click on the Create button. Choose Image and set the image size to 16:9, perfect for YouTube videos. Paste your first image prompt into the text box and click Create. Within a few seconds, Meta AI will generate 4 image options. Select the best image that fits your rhyme's scene and click on Custom Animation. Now paste your video prompt into the animation box and click on Animate. In just a few seconds, Meta AI will generate your first video clip, usually around 5 seconds long. Click Download and save it in MP4 format. Repeat the same process for each scene, creating and animating every image one by one using your prompts. By the end of this step, you'll have a collection of short animated video clips ready to be combined into your full nursery rhyme video. Step 6. Video editing in Canva. Now it's time to bring everything together and create our complete nursery rhyme video. Open your Canva video project, the one where we already added the audio file. Click on Uploads and upload all the MP4 video clips you created using Meta AI. Drag each video clip onto the timeline in order, scene by scene. Play the audio and carefully match each clip with the corresponding part of the rhyme's lyrics. Adjust the timing and transitions to make sure the visuals sync perfectly with the audio. Repeat this process for every scene until your entire rhyme video flows smoothly from start to finish. Once you're done, you'll have a complete animated nursery rhyme video ready to export and upload to YouTube.
Shine, shine, little star, show the world how bright you are. Learning new things every day helps.
Conclusion. You've just seen how I created the famous nursery rhyme Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star with a few creative modifications to make it original and copyright-free. Step by step, I used ChatGPT to generate the idea, lyrics, and detailed image and video prompts. Then I turned those lyrics into a beautiful musical song using Suno AI music and brought the visuals to life by creating images and video clips with Meta AI tools, all based on the prompts from ChatGPT. Finally, I combined the music and visuals in Canva.com to produce the complete nursery rhyme video. The best part? I did it all using free AI tools, and you can too. So go ahead, try it yourself today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more creative AI tutorials. Your feedback means a lot.